we're going to be looking at a PC build. Yes, PC build. So today we're looking at the PC part picker. So let's just get right into the video. Today we're going to be using this is going to be a budget PC build for the Philippines most likely. And what CPU we're going to use is AMD A6. I know we can improve it a little bit more, but if you guys want to use Intel Core, you can actually have the Intel Core G4000. Yeah, there you go. You can actually buy this as well. This is a good CPU, but for this video we're gonna be using the AMD A6, or you can go for A8 if you have a little bit more budget, but if you don't, let's just settle with A6. And for the motherboard we're gonna be using the MSI, I should search it, MSI A68 E33 version 2. You can use any of this as long as it's compatible with the CPU. You can use it. And then for memory we're gonna be using a Crucial 4GB. If you want to upgrade it to 8, you might as well, because we're having a budget build here. So as long as we can save money, that's what we're going to. Okay, so storage, we're gonna be using the Seagate. Oh, okay, Seagate 1GB. Oh, 1TB, I'm sorry. It's Barracuda, Seagate Barracuda series. For the video card we're gonna be using the MSI 710, if I'm correct. Not sure if that's how it's spelled, but let me just, there you go. Yeah. We're gonna be using the MSI GD710 2GB. So quite good video card for sure. It's only $40. You can actually use different, much more video cards if you guys want to. And for a case, yeah, I forgot the name, but I have it in there, so just get that. Yeah, there you go. Oh yeah, see, that's so cool. Like, where can you have that case? I want to buy it, but most likely I don't have any money for it. It's just the best. So one of the best, and it's actually really cheap. That's like from others. It's only $46. So yeah. And for power supply we're gonna be using the EVGA 500B. You can use this guy, but much better. It's quite expensive. It's only $3, but they're just the same nearly, but the watts is just improved by a little bit. But if you want to like increase your performance, like if your motherboard needs a little bit more watts, you can go for this. But for now, I'm just gonna be sticking with that EVGA 500 watt 80 plus bronze certified ATX power supply. And that's gonna wrap up this build. Thank you guys for watching, and if you guys have enjoyed, click the like button down below. And it only costs us $282, but depends on my country, the prices. I'm gonna be linking you guys on the prices below. And yeah, we'll see each other in the next video, and stay safe.